Mwanzo muligereria bwegatosene kya Ndizi TV na ende nigo kweregania SMS ya mangana maya Chinsa Isano na Ibere chuma basobono chinga kibano ne aliganire kurugaiga ase studio nkumanye asenchera yobwenge na raria yagendete gukoreka ase liroba lya Gusii no Nyankenya engima inyora na bakogendera gutubwatia asa ya igamana yanda mange wetera senchera ye mitandao no tulibuna Ndizi TV News asensemo ya YouTube na ende Ndizi TV News Digital abone nsemo ya Facebook gosena bogo tweet @Ndizi TV News na ende na bogo tobwatia wetera se website ya www.ndizitv.or.ke na ende botambe na bogo tumekerangarira kiao wochaga igase studio wetera ase namba yesimi botambe ekoba ase TV yao na kwaraga ne iri atari make asomo basobo no lisikole Jumatano chitariki 12 omutenyino yo 10 omwaka bwechirwe 2022 ngogo sababe na inche goika omweli okorende goiranande asege kege kikerobosyo egera nkomanye ayo amana yanda mange asenchera yobwenge. Nje ni gonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita no leta gokonya na komo wetera sensemo yibimanyerero ni gakoro kwa Joshua Auta tigato ya chake korwa se county ya Kisii ase bunge ya Bonchari ase skuru yaba muraya igonga eyo ese nyombe ya moyoboraro ya nyarako bage kubwata umorero botukobo kiera lituko lya lero abo ase nibe nyinga ya boroki obwetane chimya Ibere bagutumeke nyombe yoyo boraro basiririe nibo ne binte binge ebyo bagutumeka ase skuru korengana no mwalimu monene bwe skuru ejo mo principal Boniface Masese niga ene kirege kore ekyo abu asate birenga okororekana korengana nestima etabarokanire bya ne rokero kende yaira ogwateka kumorero yo tomotegerero mo principal Boniface Masese.
Eskuru ya itoya twavuga twanyora ngoyere. The stakeholders have been informed. Sub-county director has been here of education. This is no Arulema. So we've had a meeting with some board members. We could not conclude a meeting because county director not get to go to the ground. So we postponed the meeting. Whatever we've decided, it has to be approved by the county director of education. So abonega ngane iligo soka ndike report na Kenya Power. Pacho kora investigation was an estimate yakora tuki. Wobe wasebuya. So that the top any windows chain investigation toko nyora nestima to exonerate abana. Toko nyora talistima tutake kora investigation yase. Na vega siego koru.
Senkro bless nyamboke asiago. Mwana na reform wa. Senkro le nyasawa na ngambia mono. Mwana na nanyo dale moyo. Vinto sabato sano mia
Ense ya Kenya litukuli igoro ya chengerete igoro yeli tukuli okuinyora omwana omunyaroka gose World Girl Day abo ase skuru yaba gose skuru yoboroso ya Nyasancha egotoka se ward ya Kisii Central ase county ya Kisii banyoleta bageni batali babutambe kurase byombe ao abo ase banyaratwa bakorwa maigelio no basemme guchya omwana omunyaroka nana kyabwenerete kwerenda nago koromo kiasa masomo egere bachako babarai beli tuko lya ankyo chinga kiechyo baroki wabo abanyaroka mbanyoleta bokonyi ao gati abone bitamba byobo chenu amo ne bintu binde.
From Barrier Breakers Youth Initiative. We are a youth-led organization that deals with empowerment of young people and especially children. Today we are at Nyansacha Primary School, empowering them on menstrual hygiene, mental health, and also childhood cancer. So today, as we have talked to them about what they are supposed to do in their lifetime and also empower their life skills and empower their self-esteem.
My name is Jacqueline Marwa. I'm from Forever Africa Power Dada. It's an organization based in Kisii County. that empowers young girls, the adolescent girls and the young women. Today we are celebrating the International Day of the Girl Child, and we are at Nyansancha Primary School. We came here to celebrate with the young adolescent girls.
So we are here and we are happy. We are here to celebrate International Girl Child Day. So we are all happy. Yeah!
Tingakie chobono ensemo ya borokia kurwase skuru eyo ya Nyansancha nigo bakwanirete igoro ya maigerio bagendrete kwa baroki wa banyaruka bunana kibagwenerete kwirenda anene abaroki wa bali bamenyete amona bangina koro chingaki abaibuli babo bakarase Chinsa cheisiko ase okweligeria abwase batebire bagendrete ko bawo bosemia bunana kibagwenerete gokina bunabana banyaruka
Sipora nyamari nongo somye skuru ya Nyansancha muna morocha litukeliria lengelia mwana umwiseke na nengo kwanda twarenge umechanda abana baisike bagwetera ese skuru yeyiga kono abana abamenyete nabangina kora abange abaibuli babo bachiete Chinsa chiri kya maiko bakogenda bachikokora chigasi batigeta abana basabangina koro bali batekunyara kubamanyanga kiba abwenerete komenya kwanyora abana bo batigire gochiabu ndagera teyo ebintu byabo mune bayiruga parse chibayirumba bwati tishu bana bumba bwati chianga chiko bagotera
Omorai bwabange ase bunge nene oyobo igoromo bunge bwensemo ya Kikuyu okoro kwa musike Kimani Ichungwa nigo litukulero anyariko baga kubwatuka na koralia amalieta y'ababunge bali bagucha kubategerera na kubalingoria aba waziri abachore au bachorwa no murai bwense Dr. William Ruto elio bachigo chake mirimo bene onye amalieta yo kago chigwetigwa ase bunge yo korengana na Ichungwa abarai gosaba bunge 15 na banyarire ko bakoraliwa gati yabo no mubunge Osuna East Junet Mohamed abayigo mishimboko gati ya malieta araliwa se bunge mu basolero.
To the provisions of Standing Order 204, this House approves the appointment of the following members to the Committee on Appointments, in addition to those specified under paragraph 1. 1, the Honorable Nelson Koech, MP. 2, the Honorable Rehab Washira Mukami, MP. 3, the Honorable Dido Ali Raso, MP. 4, the Honorable George Gitonga Murugara, MP. 5, the Honorable David Gikaria, MP. 6, the Honorable Ferdinand Wanyonyi, MP. 7, the Honorable Mary Emase, MP. 8, the Honorable Abdul Rahim Dawood, MP. 9, the Honorable Junet Mohammed, CBS, MP. 10, the Honorable Caleb Amisi, MP. 11, the Honorable Stephen Mule, MP. 12, the Honorable Abdi Shurie, MP. 13 is the Honorable Naisula Lesuda, MP. 14, the Honorable David Kosing, CBS, MP. And finally, number 15, the Honorable Mishim Boko, CBS, MP. Honorable Speaker, it's
Tingakie choboigo ase Senate nigo tokomanyigwa buna omo Senator omachore kurwase County ya Lamu Shakila Abdalla nigo bono amochire nkwana yomorai bwense Dr. William Ruto elia kwana chingaki ale kuigora chibunge cho Ibere asamaga chamanene ye bunge kolengana na Abdalla nigagotebe nkwana ya Dr. Ruto tiyanyart kobagi kumulekera amaganyo yaba Kenya bonsi ati abo igoro yengana yoboyo amona manganande yengencho ayo anyart koba kagotiga isiko nigaya kwana ya samagacho ye Senate chingaki bagandretenege ikaro kyomo chatara igoro yenkwana ya Dr. William Ruto elia kwana asamagacho ye bunge.
Ni yangu mheshimiwa, ninaona kama rais hajiamini ama hana uzoefu wa kuelewa kikamilifu miundombinu ya kugeuza uchumi wa nchi na kuinua maisha ya mwananchi mdogo. Mheshimiwa Speaker, kuna fiche sana ambazo zinabainisha kuwa serikali kuu ina upungufu wa kuelewa ajenda zake na mwelekeo wa nchi na uchumi wake. Mheshimiwa Spika, kuna changamoto ambazo sana hivi sasa zinatuambata kama za ufisadi, ajira, gharama za juu za biashara, usalama, barabara, miundo misingi, maji safi, uchafuzi wa mazingira na ukuzaji wa viwanda. Mheshimiwa Spika, nataka nitoe mfano wa mbolea. Hivi sasa Mheshimiwa, mbolea zimewekwa chini kwa shilingi 3,000. Mheshimiwa Spika, Kenya haitaki mbolea za kupewa za marupurupu na nchi za ng'ambo kwa bei rahisi ambazo hatuzielewi. Mheshimiwa Spika, Kenya inahitaji viwanda ambavyo kwamba vitatengeneza mbolea kwa bei nafuu na kukuza mazao yao na
Omugavana wa kaunti ya Bungoma Ken Lusaka nigobona arure birengereri byaye igoro ibunana kiaroche asobokorari bwechi kaunti au aiga Kenya. Kolengana na Lusaka nigaga netebuna aba waziri gose aba obisabe serikali yechi kaunti au gati abo aba CECs amona aba obisabande niko bagwenerete kogenda ka amona aba governor bagasoka bono korwa BC. Kolengana nere nigamentre yonere ncheremo yokorwa bokorari obya chinga kya serikali nya egosoa ase chia BC chechi serikali chechi county.
CECs and chief officers go with the governor who goes, because it's a problem with provision. If some of those what they are calling pending bills are not even pending bills, they are illegalities where money was spent and it was not budgeted for. So that's an irregularity. That's something that must not be entertained at all. You cannot spend what has not been budgeted for. You can also not spend in anticipation. That's what most counties were also doing. So those are things that we are ascertaining to see whether these pending bills are genuine. And most counties have put in place audit teams to just establish and resource audits. They are carrying out, like even Bungoma, are carrying out a pending bills audit so that we establish exactly the position as it is. Because it's true, you know, the law says 35% should be spent on wage bill, and then the rest should go to the other way.
Mwencho maligereria ntara yo sebono asenchera yo bwenge kolende ende chikoraga ikomi chemaragoba ya bono no chikonyora yo ayo amana yanda mange asenchera yo bwenge mbiamono mwensi bali mwera chinga kine birobya ino koyabwatia gwetera asenchera yeto mitandao Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital na baigo YouTube Ndizi TV News mbiamono Albert Kirera oyoga ndata koligereria amangana mayakoro Chinsa machaigonga kasarani gatia bande bali mwatumire ujumbe na goteba na umurime asomorobele bwa mangana maya Chinsa Isano na Ibere olione kyabona chibicha na mariogi agoikere asenchera yoboikirano kegima nigakorwa Abigail Nyanchama nole to waterana komokoro asensemo yebimanyererio nigakorwa Joshua Auta na intenako yaletera asenchera yobwenge nigonkorwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita.
Gusii ogo kwa kwaraliwe kumongina Jemaima bosiboli ongaro no mwana onyagosi